Very nice. I have been faked my Facebook account that has been locked many years. Hello guys, today I would like to show you how to fix this problem. Yeah, you see here, this is my Facebook account, United States Facebook account. Yeah, you see here, right? This is Lucy's. Confirm that this is your account to unlock it. We locked your account on 24 May 2024 because it may have been hacked. So that my account has been locked. Right now, I would like to fix it. Yeah. So that let's go to the option get started. And then you need to confirm that it's your account. Let's go to the option get a code by email if you have an email that you can get a code. And the second one, if you have a phone number that you can get a code, so that you can choose the option get a code on your phone. Yeah, if your account linked with your WhatsApp, so that you choose the option that you can get a code from WhatsApp. Right now, I would like to get a code from my email address, so that I need to choose the option get a code by email. Yep, just a little bit. This is my own email address, so that I need to choose this option and click the option next. The code will send to my email address. Let me get it. Yep, 1821. After entering the code correctly, here, let's go to the option next. This one, secure your login details. This one is my own email address, yeah, but I don't show you. Right now, let's go to the option next. Your new login detail, yeah, that is okay because this one is my own email address. Let's go to the option next again. You have unlocked your account. My account has been unlocked. I can fake my own account successfully. I will do more steps. I would like to choose the option review recent activity. And then let's go to the option get started. No change. Let's go to the option go to new feed. Very nice. I have been faked my Facebook account that has been locked many years or many months. I hope that this video will help you or useful for you. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more.